DCDB and Power supply. Each optics RTN 620 requires 2 miniature circuit breakers, hereafter referred to MCBs, and each optics RTN 610 requires 1 MCB. Therefore, the number of MCBs can be determined according to the number of optics RTN devices. The rated current of MCBs used in the optics RTN devices is 10 to 15 amperes. 2 groups of MCBs must be connected to the power cabinet through tower cables. One group functions as the working unit, and the other group functions as the protection unit. When an optics RTN 620 is connected to the power cabinet, 2 MCBs must be used. 1 MCB is used in each group, that is, 1 MCB functions as the working unit, and the other MCB functions as the protection unit.